Presenting Redmi Smart Band Pro SportsWatch in black. It comes in a size of 4.2 into 2.4 into 1 centimeters and weighs 15 grams. The smartwatch comes in a rectangle 1.47 inches always-on AMOLED display. The 580 water resistance makes it durable for everyday wear. The watch is powered with 14 days battery life. The smartwatch features SpO2 monitoring, sleep monitoring, sedentary reminder, activity tracker, alarm clock and calorie tracker, and comes with LifeQ health algorithm. It also has 110 plus workout modes to choose from. The box contains the fitness tracker, wristband, user manual and charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.